Two robbers shot and succumbed to their injuries by party patrons in St. Elizabeth. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. During an attempted robbery at a party in Trial St. Elizabeth, two men were shot dead as they were confronted by armed attendees. The deceased individuals originated from Clarendon have been involved in numerous robberies across both parishes. The two men have been identified as Christophine Gardner and Siobhan Hall, also known as Munga.
We're in the Trial Square, where a permitted event took place at this location. The preliminary investigations suggest that during the event, two armed men attempted to rob patrons at this location. They were challenged by licensed firearm holders. As a result of the shooting, two men were shot and killed. Two firearms recovered. We have now been able to identify the two men involved in this incident. One has been identified as Christophine Gardner. The other is Siobhan Hall, O.C. Munga. Both men are from Clarendon addresses. They have also been featured in several robberies in the St. Elizabeth division. And so we will continue to this investigation to determine a third person that we believe was involved in this incident. One person has now been picked up as a suspect and is being processed by the CIB. We continue the investigation surrounding this incident. I want to speak to specifically because this community is a very quiet community, the Trial area, and the residents woke up this morning to this kind of news. And so we want to appeal to persons who wish to commit offences in the St. Elizabeth division to desist from doing so and to allow good order to be maintained. As it is now, the scenes of crime persons are on the location, the scene is being processed, and the investigation will continue.
Head of the St. Elizabeth Police Division, Colby Minto, stated that on Sunday, they are still searching for a third suspect involved in the robbery. According to the superintendent, the men were listed as robbery suspects for previous incidents. The robbery attempt, which was carried out by these individuals, was actually captured on CCTV. At this point, you can see two individuals holding what appears to be firearms in their hand and masks over their face. At this point, the man standing in the blue shirt is actually a licensed firearm holder and challenged the gunmen. Both men were shot and succumbed to their injuries. The St. Elizabeth police are investigating. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.